So let me clarify you with different forms of adverbs. Adverbs are different forms, and with the definition, with the examples, it will be clear to all of us that what kind of thing it is. जो क्रिया विशेषण बोलिक आम ओडिया जानूँ ताहा इंग्लीश रे केमती होता है और केमती यूज होता है तार व्यवहार किभली होता है से विषय में जानिबा विथ द एग्जांपल्स. इट इज वेरी मच इजी. So listen to me carefully till the end of the video. Actually many adverbs and माने जिते प्रकार adverb थाए in English it is ended with ly, ly. गोटे दीटा अक्षर थाए last को ly, and if ly is there in the end of a word then you must be sure that it is an adverb. ये होची गोटे adverb. Through the examples you will be cleared. So we form such adverbs by adding ly to the adjective. Adjective रे we will give you example of adjectives and how adjectives can be converted to adverb. Adjective किभली convert होइछि adverb से विषय में जानिबा, and from adjective it has come. Adjective रू आसीछि. So here are some examples. ली last को ly रहिଥାଏ और जदि ly रहिला we will come to know this is an adverb. So different examples. ly जोटा लागि थाए विभिन्न adverb रे quickly, softly, strongly, honestly, interestingly, and also below you can see, and there are different examples. Look at the adjectives. Dangerous, it has been converted to adverb, that is dangerously. Before the after that, next word is careful, it has been converted into adverb, that is carefully. Ly ends, it ends with ly. दीटा लेटर सहित एंड होची adverb ly, 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 ly. Look at the next. Nice, nice रू nicely. Horrible रू horribly हैला. Next है easy रू easily. So different irregular forms are also there. किछि जिनस अछि जोटा को भी ठोरेवा कष्ट होता है. Different adjectives. Look at this. Good, it's an adjective but it when it has converted into adverb, that is well. Well ହେଇगला. जेमती fast, it has been converted into adverb, that is fast. So sometimes it changes. केतेबेले change होता है. So we will have to look after this also. आपको भी ध्यान देना पड़ेगा. The next one is here hard, hard. देखो both are similar.